In this video, I'm going to show you how to make professional food photos in ChatGPT so your images look polished, realistic, and ready for social media, menus, blogs, or even product marketing. Instead of asking for something vague like a burger or pancakes, you're going to learn how to think like a creative director and guide ChatGPT with details that actually shape the final image. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and get ready to create your food image prompt. The biggest secret to professional-looking food photos is specificity. You want to describe the food itself, the lighting, the camera style, the background, and the mood. The more visual detail you give, the better the result will be. For example, instead of saying "make me a pancake photo," try describing a stack of fluffy blueberry pancakes with melting butter dripping down the side, a fresh dusting of powdered sugar, soft morning window light, shallow depth of field, a rustic kitchen background, and a high-resolution editorial finish. That kind of prompt gives ChatGPT a clear creative direction. Think about the food as if you were briefing a professional photographer. Ask yourself what the dish looks like, what ingredients should stand out, what surface it's on, and what kind of atmosphere you want around it. Do you want clean and modern, warm and rustic, bright and airy, or dark and dramatic? Each choice changes the final style. One of the best ways to improve realism is to include lighting instructions. For example, soft natural window light creates a fresh and inviting look, while side lighting can add texture and depth. If you want a premium magazine feel, mention soft shadows, shallow depth of field, and cinematic composition. That helps the image feel more intentional and less artificial. You should also describe the camera perspective. A close-up angle works great for burgers, desserts, and plated meals because it highlights texture and detail. A top-down shot is perfect for flat lays, spreads, bowls, and style table scenes. A three-quarter angle can make dishes look more dynamic and professional. If you want the image to feel realistic, don't make everything too perfect. Add small imperfections that make the scene believable. For example, you can ask for crumbs on the table, slight condensation on the glass, scattered flour near baked goods, or a few sauce drips on the plate. Those little details help the image feel like a real photograph instead of an overly polished AI render. Another useful tip is to mention the setting. A rustic wooden table, a marble countertop, a linen napkin, or a softly blurred cafe background can all change the atmosphere of the image. The background should support the food, not distract from it. Keep it simple if you want the dish to be the focus. Here's a prompt formula you can reuse every time. Start with the food, add the style, add the lighting, add the camera angle, and finish with the background and quality. For example, professional food photography of a stack of fluffy blueberry pancakes, melting butter dripping down the side, fresh dusting of powdered sugar, soft morning window light, shallow depth of field, rustic kitchen background, 8K resolution. That structure works because it gives ChatGPT both the subject and the visual style in one clear instruction. If the first result isn't quite right, don't stop there. Refine the prompt by adding more detail. You can ask for more realistic textures, brighter natural light, a cleaner plate presentation, or a more editorial composition. Small prompt changes can dramatically improve the final image. If you're making images for a brand, blog, or restaurant, try keeping a consistent style across all your prompts. Use similar lighting, backgrounds, and camera language so your food photos look like part of the same visual identity. That makes your content look more professional and cohesive. And remember, the goal is not just to generate a picture of food. The goal is to create an image that feels appetizing, believable, and polished enough to use in real content. So always think in terms of texture, lighting, composition, and mood. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI guides, prompt tips, and content creation walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.